Okay, so there's a little tour of the watering system for the chickens. So what we got is the rooftop collection. Goes down to the gutter, which needs to be cleaned out. Down the pipe and into a simple cistern. This is the overflow. So if it overfills, it dumps out and goes to the garden. And then from the bottom, there's a hose bib connection. Simple start like that. That runs through a piece of poly tubing, irrigation plumbing to the automatic water, which is on the inside, and the chooks like it. There's just got little depressors, you can buy them at feed stores and that kind of stuff, strapped to a block. So that we have an automatic watering system that's maintained by the rain for the chickens. And it makes good sense, and we like it.